Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can transfer Baby Doge on your Trust wallet to your Binance. So first you want to open up on your Trust wallet, and then we want to search up Baby Doge on the search bar. Okay, Baby Doge. There we go. You want just to click on the top one, and here you want to click on send. After clicking on send, you're going to see here it needs the wallet address. So we want to head on to Binance, and in Binance you're gonna have to search for Baby Doge 2. So let's just search it up, Baby Doge. There we go. Once you see Baby Doge, we just need to click on Baby Doge, and then it will drag us on our Web3 wallet, which is still in Binance. In this page, we want to scroll down, and then we're going to see balance. So you want to click on balance, and here we're gonna click on receive, and we're going to see this address. Make sure you copy it by pressing the clipboard, and then we want to go back to our Trust wallet. So here, the address you copied in Binance, you want to paste it here on Trust wallet. So once you paste it, you're just gonna have to set a value or amount of Baby Doge you want to send or transfer on Binance. So there you go. You have now officially transferred your Baby Doge from Trust wallet to Binance.